I've already opened this one up, so I'm going to show it to you right here. So out of the box, you'll get the annealer and these two accessory boxes. First, on the annealer itself, the torch holder comes here inverted for packing. So you take out this bolt and you'll flip the torch holder around and it will go in one of these 3 slots. And everything else is going to be in one of these 2 accessory boxes. I will show you quickly the function of it. It does have this turntable wheel, this plate, and it has a cycling arm right here that it spins around and catches the pins to cycle it to the next spacing here. As well, in this position right here, where the torch will be, is another little motor. This motor turns the case, so it spins the case in the flame. This is the power inlet there, and here we have the electronics. Electronics are simple. There's a menu button, but everything is preset from the factory, so you don't need to mess with that. Here are the 2 speed controls, and this one is the start and stop for the motor that turns the plate. And so let's jump into what comes in the boxes. Here we have 3 different bushing sizes. The bushing sizes work for 300 Win Mag, 308 30-06, and 223. And so I have already pulled those bushings out. And so here we have the 300 Win Mag bushing. They just drop right in. This is a 308. This will be a 25-06 case. And this fits 223 and similar sized cases. So that's how it sets, and you have a full bushing set for each one of those. As well, in one of these 3 slots, 3 holes, you can put a Sharpie marker to mark the brass. So this is a Sharpie holder, and we sell additional torches in case you want to put 2 torches to more evenly or quickly heat the neck, depending upon obviously what cases you're doing. And here we have the power, and the power comes with the US adapter if you're traveling, or if you have this annealer outside of the US, then it will have additional electrical outlet adapters. So we'll plug this in right here, and once it's plugged in, it is as simple as hitting the power button. Power button turns the annealer on, and so immediately you'll see this arm start spinning to move the cases into new positions. I will slow down that arm. That of course adjusts the time that the case is in the flame, and once this kicks around, you'll see this 223 case start to spin. And so that is a constant. Once it's been heated, then the next one comes in and spins, and so each case will drop through in order. If I wanted to stop this plate from spinning, I can stop this arm from spinning simply by hitting the start stop, and so that's what I'll do right there. And so it just dropped that. Again, if you watch that, I stop that, stops that motor from spinning. This motor will continue to spin. If you want to turn both of them off for any reason, you can do that. And then it stops both motors. And when it turns back on, it has a memory. It remains on the same speed that you left it on when you turned it off. And so this is the annealer. Very simple to change cases. All you need to do is change out the bushing, check the speed and the flame temperature. But those are all very quick adjustments, and I appreciate how small the form factor is compared to previous annealers that I have had and used, and this just is going to make life much better for annealing. So again, this is the AGS V3, so it will handle up to 338 Lapua cases in the wheel as it sits. And you can buy additional torch holders and the additional bushings for ARC Grendel and for WSM. Those are two that we currently will be carrying. And if you have a need for a custom bushing, then you can certainly reach out at any time.